Okay guys, this is something I wanted to show you for a long time. We're at a place that's in the industrial area. Been fishing out here. There's really nothing except for like launch boats in the yard and stuff. But a lot of people find this place fishing. A lot of people find this place really good for fishing. And then this is one thing that is kind of cool. There's a fishing vending machine. It says Esa, so it sells bait. And they have different types of bait. Like for 400 yen, they have different bait, like 1 pack. And then they have some pile worms, different types of pile worms. So 500 yen a pack, their deal. And then there's a dispenser here. So in the middle of nowhere, they have this bait vending machine. So I'm going to use a 500 yen coin here and here. Then it lights up and make my selection. I'll use these baits. So here, I'll push it here. Harder. Wait. So it says 500 yen here. Maybe this is out. Only here. Okay. So kisu haze no bait. It's good for the gobies. This is good for the gobies. This is good for sweet fish, and this is good for Spanish mackerel. So maybe 400 yen? Yep. So it changes out, and then down at the bottom, they have the dispenser here. So you open the dispenser and look for my gift, which is here. And this is the rig. So it's a rig set for catching sweet fish with a weight leader, wire leader, and several hooks size 6.